So we will have a closer look at mathematical operations and calculations in the next module, where we'll also learn how we can apply such operations in the query editor and in the data model and how these differ. But at this point, I would like to add one basic operation and show you how this works. And this operation will be related here to our population column. Because in this column, we currently have decimal values. So this is actually in thousands, so we have a population of 661,000 here actually. And to avoid any kind of confusion in the future when we work on the data, I would like to multiply this column now by 1000, because with that, we don't have decimals here, but whole numbers. Now, to apply such operations, you can go to the transform ribbon here. In this transform ribbon, you have now these options. So this means basic mathematical operations you can apply to columns formatted as a number, which is the case for us here. If you now go to the standard option, you see, well, standard mathematical options like add, multiply, subtract, and divide. And this is exactly what we want to use right here. As I said, I would like to multiply our population column by 1000. So let's select this option, now enter the value it should be multiplied by right here, and press OK. All right, and let's now change the data format from the decimal number to a whole number here, because this is actually what it is. And with that done, we finally finished the query editor part in this module. The last thing I would like to tackle is a topic I referred to from time to time when we worked on the star schema. It's the topic of performance, because as I said, in the query editor, when the data becomes a bit more complex, we have to live with certain loading times. But when we now continue to the data model, we can improve the performance significantly. So let's dive into performance as a last step in this module now.